Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 1:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Saturday, October 2nd, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell if you want to be notified, as well as the thumbs up, and share the video. We're here to talk about Quant networks and its related price action. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. Let's move forward. Okay, Quant US dollar. What a rally! What a rally across the board in altcoin land. But I think this thing's got a lot of breathing room here in terms of upside strength. That being said, let's look over at the Quant relative to Bitcoin pair. But before we get into that, let's just go back to this Quant US dollar chart. Now, I think what's going to happen over the next few days is I think definitely between today and tomorrow, I think we're going to start to see continued rise on this pair up to about 343. We might start hitting a little bit of resistance, but after that, I think, if you draw this line all the way out, I think we've got a huge from 343. Once we start going back up again, I think we'd be up at 415. Now let's go over to the Quant Bitcoin pair. This one is clearly a bit hard to read at this point in time. I don't quite think that, it looks like we're kind of, doing a little W in here, but I think this thing starts to go up from here. And the reason is that I think this is kind of an area of support for now. So I think we could start bouncing off that. Between today and tomorrow, I think altcoins will continue to rally. Let's look over at Bitcoin in the meantime. Bitcoin's over at 47,901, hitting that big resistance block. We all kind of knew this was going to happen. We've been playing it perfectly. Now, we are back and forth, up and down for a little bit. And then I think by tomorrow night, it could be Monday or Tuesday. I'm not going to get it right exactly to the moment. But, this thing is formidable in terms of its pattern expectancy. This is the same exact kind of price action we've had in the past, and I anticipate we will have the same thing here. Anyway, let's go into Bitcoin dominance. Now, while we are, doing some sideways action in Bitcoin, what's going on with the dominance pair? The dominance pair dropped quite significantly, and that's a big altcoin booster. And we're seeing it. I mean, look right here. It's Quant's a perfect example of it. Quant's up 3.5%. Quant to Bitcoin's up 4%, and Bitcoin's down. So that basically means that the inner strength of Quant and the overall altcoin market has been pretty strong, and it's not being driven around by Bitcoin today. Different from yesterday where Quant was going up really because Bitcoin was going up. So we got some more wood to chop between today and tomorrow. I think altcoins catch a bid and get a little bit stronger until tomorrow night, and then they kind of pause because then I think Bitcoin starts to make sharp rises up. Anyway, that's all I've got, and hope everyone's having a good weekend. Bye.